And then he said, well, just say these prayers, and these spirits will come, and you will have fun with them, and then they'll leave. Well, yeah, right. Well, we get the spirit of incubus and succubus that came in from these websites, and then you got to battle getting rid of that stuff. So we have to be real careful what we watch on the internet, on TV. So we have to protect our eye gates and ear gates. It's really important that we do that, okay? Very important, because a lot of people that are, even on TV, I was mentioning to a woman here recently, she said, well, my husband liked these gory movies, so he made me watch them with him. And it was just a movie where he would shoot them up type, blow them up type movies. As I was ministering to her, the spirit of murder came up. And I said, well, how did you get into her? I said, well, she saw me on TV, killing people. And it was an easy thing to cast that thing out. But still, it's just amazing how a spirit can come in just through television. I'm going to go even one step further. These video games.
Oh, man.
You have to be very careful what these kids are playing on these video games nowadays. Because I've cast out a lot of demons out of kids from characters from these video games. And one particular kid, part of him was, and it's really kind of difficult to explain, but I'm just going to explain it the best way I can. He was playing this video game where he pretended to be this particular character, and this particular character got locked up in a cage, and his demons were tormenting him. These monster characters, which are demons, were tormenting, this monster was tormenting this person he betrayed in this game. Well, a part of his soul was caught up in that game. And as I was ministering to him, and it was a part of him felt like he was himself was in that cage. So we had to, through the Holy Spirit, break that cage open and then release this guy's soul back. And he felt a big difference in his life. A lot of stuff is supernatural, kind of crazy to explain. Some of it may be unbelievable. But I'm just telling you what stuff that we deal with. So we can, knowledge is power. And the Bible says we perish for lack of it. Amen? So just don't throw it out there for something to think about. Not to throw fear at you, but just so we can be alert and be aware. Amen? Are we ready to worship the Father? But I always want to, welcome everybody here tonight. And I'm just really excited to see some new faces, some old faces. I'm just glad everybody's here. I'm sure we're going to have more people that's going to come later. So thank you so much for coming. And let's worship the Father.